Thus, PMO method, there are some rules. As you remember, 4n plus 2 pi electron, that means aromatic. Okay. Now, according to rule, if 4n plus 2 pi electrons are present, then it is aromatic. If 0 node, then that reaction is thermally allowed. Whereas, if 1 node is given, then the rules are reverse. Okay, rules are reverse means if 4n plus 2 pi electrons are present, then system is aromatic. But since 1 node, so that reaction is photochemically allowed and thermally forbidden. Remember this. Also, if 4n pi electrons are present, then as you know, it is not aromatic, but it is anti-aromatic. Okay, now if 0 node, photochemically allowed, whereas if 1 node is given, then that reaction is thermally allowed. Okay, this is most important. Remember these points. Okay, 4n plus 2 pi electron, aromatic as per Huckel rule. 0 node, then thermally allowed. 1 node means photochemically allowed. Okay, 4n pi electron, anti-aromatic, then 0 node, then photochemically allowed, and 1 node means thermally allowed. This is butadiene converted into cyclobutene. So here, as you know, 4 pi electrons are involved and 0 node, there is no node. That means anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic means this is photochemically allowed. Okay, so 4 electron, then anti-aromatic, then photochemically allowed. Okay, now if reaction is photochemically allowed and 0 node, then this pi orbital like this. Okay, these are all positive sign. Now in order to match this positive sign, one orbital is to be rotated in clockwise direction, whereas other in the anti-clockwise direction. That means this process is a disrotatory process. Okay, disrotatory process, photochemically allowed. So we arrive same conclusion as that of correlation diagram method. Now if one node is given, one node means I have to give one node from here like this. So this is negative positive. Now one node, that means negative positive and negative positive. Now here one node aromatic. Okay, because you see here 0 node means anti-aromatic. Here 1 node means aromatic. Aromatic means it is thermally allowed. Okay, but since now I have to rotate this orbital in clockwise direction. And this orbital also in clockwise direction. So this process is cone rotatory process. So 4 pi electron, 1 node means aromatic, and aromatic means thermally allowed. So it is cone rotatory process. By calculation. Now this is another example in which hexatriene is converted into cyclohexadiene. 6 electrons are involved. So 6 electron, that means according to 4n plus 2 pi electron. So 0 node. So 0 node, 6 electron, that is aromatic. Aromatic means thermally allowed. Now see whether this is cone rotatory process or disrotatory process. So 0 node, that means all positive signs are on upper lobes. So one orbital is to be rotated by clockwise direction, whereas other in anti-clockwise direction. That means this process is disrotatory process. So 0 node, 6 electron, aromatic, thermally allowed, disrotatory process. So this rotatory process is thermally allowed process. Now if I give from here one node, then what happen? This positive negative, negative positive. Now both orbital are to be rotated in the same direction, either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. So one node is given, that means one node, 6 electron, so anti-aromatic, photochemically allowed. Okay, so photochemically allowed, which process? So this one is a con-rotatory process because both orbitals are to be rotated in the clockwise direction in order to match the positive sign. So this is con-rotatory process is photochemically allowed. So in this way we reach same conclusion as that of correlation diagram method and FMO method. Let us discuss how cycloaddition reaction is explained by PMO method. Now here in cycloaddition reaction, as you know, this is Diels-Alder reaction. Ethylene plus butadiene, it gives hexene. So here 4 plus 2, so total 6 electrons are involved. 6 electrons means according to 4n plus 2 pi electron. So this system is aromatic. 0 node. Since system is aromatic, that is nothing but thermally allowed. So in this way, Diels-Alder reaction is thermally allowed, which is same conclusion as that of correlation diagram and FMO method.
Thank you for watching this video.